Hello everybody, this is Sidra and you're watching My Spice Streets. You guys requested pizza, but I wanted to share this outstandingly easy recipe. It's just 1 minute mug pizza. You will be amazed how good it is. So let's get going. In a mug, you just have to add 4 tablespoons of plain flour followed by baking soda and baking powder. Here I'm going to ask for a favor. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. That will keep you updated. Thank you for that. And now you just have to put in salt, and to make it the dough you have to add oil and milk. Whisk it well and your dough is ready. Now if you want it overcooked, you can just put it in the microwave for a minute. And if not, just follow the recipe as it is. Okay, I'm going to add 1 big fat tablespoon of pizza sauce, and then a lot of cheese. Now you add cheese as much as you like. Okay, the first layer must be cheddar and the second one would be mozzarella. Your pizza is ready. Now comes the topping. I have just added some olives and paprika. You add according to your own choice. It's headed to microwave for a minute. It can be 1 minute or 20-30 seconds depending upon the microwave. That's how it looks when it comes out of the microwave. Food in microwave, it doesn't really get brown. It will be, but it's fully cooked and it's delicious. You just give it a try and it will be definitely your go-to snack. I hope you like the video. See you next time. Bye bye.